Good morning. This is John Harder, aka Coins Eagle, and I am excited about a new opportunity that I'm in. And I'll just tell you this: somebody approached me about this opportunity, and you know, after I joined my last opportunity. And you're probably thinking, okay, whatever, how many opportunities is this guy in? Well, I'm a believer in multiple income streams, okay? And I had sort of decided, okay, I think that's the last business that I'm going to join. And I am in several very, very, very good opportunities. And but this person that approached me is one that's actually in the same opportunities of my other ones as well. And approached me and said, John, would you like to have a look at this? And so I did, you know. And I was so blown away. I believe this is a better opportunity than any of the others that I've ever been in. I just, as much as I still enjoy being part of those other ones too, but I truly I've never seen anything like this before. So I'm gonna just play a short video clip for you to see, and then the links are below in case you want to check it out further. Okay. All right. So. I think this is the one here, and so we're just going to play this clip, right? All right, so that is the short video clip. Now, I just want to say this. Once you get inside, there is so much more to this than what you can see on that short video clip. And also, I want to say this because I know that most people are not very good at recruiting. Most people are just not very good. I'm not saying anything against anybody. It's just not in the nature of every person to be a very good recruiter. And the fact is, whether you are a good recruiter or not, you still want to make money. You still want the income. Well, this is the perfect opportunity when it, with that in mind, okay? All right, thank you so much. And the link is below in case you want to check it out further. Thank you.